Ow. Move. That's not safe. That's a violation. What are you talking about? Only safety inspector. Since when? So a safety violation on here? How is it a safety violation? I'm asking you a question. Other than this derailleur here, it's a stop go for Trackmaster engines. I don't even know why you put it on. Shut up. Turntable seems in order. Spins loosely. Although, it's not very detailed, but that's not really a safety thing. That's just kind of it looking ugly, but alright. Alright, how long has this establishment been here? Like a couple days, like a week. We'll see about that. Alright, how do you get to the roof? We have a crane lift you. A crane. Yeah. Mind explaining how that's safe at all? Because these a lift. That's not safe. Can you move? Can you move? No. Okay, I don't know, like, if you're just joking, or, like, if you're actually trying to be a, like, safety inspector, but, I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna tell 033, actually, because, this seems sketchy. Right, lift me up. Like, what are you doing? Renovating? You tore my set without even asking me, okay? It's my layout. Yeah, well, it's my set. What do you want, Mavis? There's, like, a duck running around pretending to be a safety inspector. I think he's pretending. Did you ask for an ID? What's I supposed to? Yes! That's, like, the first thing you ask. It's, like, evidence. Oh, well, no, I didn't. Glad I have such a responsible manager. Alright, we'll continue this conversation later. I hope not. What are we doing? I just want to check on Renee's real quick. Oh, what are you watching? News broadcast. Breaking news! We have just been alerted that there is a false health inspector running around. Safety inspector, not health inspector. Why did I say that? Anyway. We need a teleprompter. Maybe we can get Gus to run that. Anyway, what was I gonna say? So why we need a teleprompter? Okay, so, there's an engine that's running around pretending to be a safety inspector, and they're using that privilege as a safety inspector to sit in sheds for free. Isn't sitting in sheds already free? No! Shut up, Percy. So yeah, if anyone claims to be a safety inspector, don't believe him. What probably that son of a bitch. Come on, 3.3. Alright, where is this fucker? Should just be on the superstation. Oh, well, 3.3 just fell off, but whatever. Stay back, Mavis. Ow. Trying to be the safety inspector? Or whatever? Health inspector? Yeah. Alright, come on then. I have a place for you to inspect. Here, inspect this. Really good. We've got a tunnel, but it's a bit rickety looking here. What does this switch do? Well, I should keep him occupied for at least a few minutes till we think of a better plan. What did you do? I had him inspect the Missy Island Rescue playset. Yeah. Let's go check on him, actually. Hello, Duck? Let me check. Alright, well, there's no way to tell if he's actually breathing or not. I think we killed him. You killed him. No, you killed him. It was your idea. No, it was your idea. We gotta hide him. Can't believe you killed Duck. I didn't do anything. And why do I have to carry it? Because you killed him. No, you killed him. No, I just sent him to inspect it. You came up with the idea. Okay, what the fuck ever. Alright, this should be a good enough place to hide the body. Wow, nice. No one will ever find it there. Is this guy dead? Did you just try to throw him at me? I'll pay you $5 not to tell anybody. Deal. Alright, I'll go get the money. You hide the body. I have to be stuck doing this shit. No one comes over here, right? In there. Alright, that should work. How did... God, he's still not going in. There. I'm gonna go buy myself something nice. Well, good luck with that. $5 isn't really gonna buy much. And we'll see how Mavis is doing. Alright, well, I guess he's gone because I don't see him. Yeah, I hid him behind that box. Why would you shout where you hid him? What are you two doing over here? Run. Alright, what did the turtle controller want us to get? I think he wanted us to get this box of Tommy stuff. No, we're police officers. Why are we doing this kind of work? You know, I don't... Why is there an engine here? Oh, it's an Erdl duck. And he isn't talking or moving. I think he might have died. Alright, come on. Let's find a car. Mavis, what are you doing? Why did you stop? Sir, I'm out of fuel. How are you still moving? I don't know. Well, I'm not pulling you. Why? Couldn't be bothered, you're too fat. Wow. Thanks. You talk to him. Oh, hello, Fergus and Turtle Duck on a car for some reason. Yeah, I think he's died. You think he's died? You know, I don't tell you how to do your job. I'm not whatever. Yeah, I don't know why he might be dead. Okay, thank you for that helpful comment. What's going on here? Maybe it's run out of fuel, and so did I. Just now. That's why I'm not moving anymore. Well, I guess we can try to pull you back, but it might not work because we have, well, a load already. They're gonna know that we did it. No, they're not. I really think they're gonna find out. Well, they're not. Everyone coupled? Yes. Alright, let's go. Alright, Mavis, when we get back to the superstation, you know the yellow car with the apples in it? I want you to put it on the Diesel Works shelf, one of them. Got it. Hey, don't let the Ferguses see. Don't let what? Nothing. So, is this where you wanted to go? You know, I don't see the, yellow car of apples anywhere. Oh, that silly Stafford must have moved it again. What an idiot. What? Go back to work, Stafford. Anyway, if you, just come over here, I want to show you something, Ferguses. Nah, we wanna make sure this body is actually dead first. Wait, no, you should really come over here. No, we'll find the cause of death. What are you groaning about? What do you want us to see? I just wanted you to check out that really cool windmill right there. Yeah, it's cool, whatever. It's shit, because it's pushing along. Ugh, what happened? Oh, now it's a zombie. Ah, shit, I missed the windmill. What do you have against that windmill? No, it just looks stupid. Let's go get it. Ow. Well, that was uncalled for. Oh, what was that for?
Die, zombie. Good police work, Fergus. Thank you, Fergus. Alright, let's just, deal with this now. Hey, Lego train. Take him away. A lot of days work, right, Fergus? Yep, Fergus, that's definitely right. Well, I guess that's the end of that. Yep. So we're just not gonna tell him that we killed him. Wow, good going. I didn't mean to. So you murdered him and then he became a zombie? How did he become a zombie? And how did you murder him? He was being annoying and he was impersonating a safety inspector. So I sent him to inspect something, and then the thing that I sent him to inspect killed him. And we tried to hide the body. Okay, so, he's probably not a zombie then. He's probably just knocked out. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. And, he's probably a real safety inspector, because I heard that the turtle controller hired one. I just didn't know it was Turtle Duck. You know, I think we should go before, turtle controller arrives. Okay, well, we can still arrest you, but I'm too tired.